Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to change a username in Windows 10. If you want to change your username for the Windows, also don't know how to do it, so don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how it can be possible. So first you have to go to the desktop, click on the Windows icon, then open the settings. As the settings open, then on the left side you will see your name or username. To change it, you have to simply go to the search bar and search for control panel. There you will see this option for your information. Click onto it. Further, you will see this option for change account type. Click onto it and then you have to simply click onto your account information, change name. Simply add any name that will be your username. Whatever you want to add it, simply add it and change it. Now it would not change it immediately. You have to do a refresh, then it will get changed. Otherwise, the previous name will be there. So for that reason, you have to simply do a quick restart, and after that, you will see the username will be changed. It will be same for Windows 10 and 11 no matter which Windows you will be using. So I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.